He's videotaping this whole thing, so be nice. Okay, ready? So you're gonna cut one of your tubes all the way up.
Got it.
Okay, then you're gonna roll it in on itself to about half the size it used to be. So you want it to fit inside your other one. And then you're going to duct tape that, okay? So, do you guys need help pulling some duct tape?
Yep. Does it have to fit perfectly? Like,
Nope, here, hold on. So don't cut it. How long is your tube? Don't cut it. How long is your tube?
oh, does it have to fit like barely in?
No, I just want it to be about half the size. And then I will rip you off a piece of duct tape. And you can stick that on. And cut off the edges if you want. Take yours. Doesn't have to be exact, you just want it about half the size. Oops, hold that steady.
Wait.
That's okay if it's not perfect. That's it.
Be quiet. Oh, wait.
Okay, does everyone have that?
Yes.
Okay, so put that piece aside. Okay?
Okay.
Go with that piece for right now. Okay, next you're going to pick up... Oh, just kidding. Pick up this one and we're going to punch 2 holes in it. I only have 1 hole punch, so I'll pass it down. So punch them across from each other, okay? About an inch up.